Hello everyone, welcome back to day 24 of my 30 days of JavaScript LeetCode challenge. Today's problem is about sorting an array using a custom function, basically building a flexible sortBy utility in JavaScript. So the question gives us an array and a function. We have to return a sorted array where the order is determined by the number of returned by fn. The array must be sorted in ascending order based on that number. We are told that fn will never produce duplicate numbers for the same array, so all keys are unique. We are basically doing a custom sort where instead of sorting by the value directly, we sort based on the fn of value. So you can go through the examples. There are 3 examples given over here. It's only one line of code. So first we have given the function sortBy that takes array and function as given in the question, and we will return this line does everything. Arr.sort sorts the array in place. We pass a compare function, and what happens here, for each pair A and B in the sort process, we compute fn of A and fn of B, subtract them, fn of A minus fn of B. If fn of A is smaller, the result is negative, A comes before B, and if fn of A is bigger, result is positive, B comes before A. Finally we return the sorted array, and that's the full sortBy function. So let's submit the code. Okay, and that's it for day 24, the 30 days of JavaScript challenge. Today we'll have learned how to sort arrays using a callback function, which is super useful when you are working with objects, nested arrays, or any custom data structure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and your valuable feedback does matter. And I will see you tomorrow for day 25. Thank you everyone. Thank you.